In this example, I will show you how to activate and deactivate the terminal nodes. Right-click crank screw. Select Representation. Then choose the Activate Terminal Node option. As you see now, the representations of crank branch 1 and 3 disappear from the specification tree, and also from the geometry area. From other side, the icons in the specification tree changed. Now, again right-click the same node. Select Representation, then choose Activate Terminal Node option. As you see, the elements are displayed in both of the specifications tree and geometry area now.